Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone, White Aventurine, the stone of clarity. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. I really appreciate your curiosity and your support. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom, Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is now available, and I'll link to that in the eye above and in the description box below if you're interested in checking that out. And I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life to really inspire improvement and change. These guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, hearing about the supportive benefits, and deciding if that's a gemstone that we would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of White Aventurine, then I'll also link that in the eye above if you'd like to pause this video and hear a little bit more in-depth detail about the supportive benefits of the Stone of Clarity, White Aventurine. If you do have a piece of White Aventurine, then I recommend going to get that and putting that by your meditation space. But you do not need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from this meditation. You can sit through it imagining a white gemstone in your mind. And if any of the questions that I bring up in this video in the meditation really they trigger you or they feel familiar, then that's a sign that you should get some White Aventurine and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this meditation is a comfortable seat. So that can be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes during this meditation. So if you have your White Aventurine or you're willing to picture that in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bringing your attention to what it feels like to breathe right now. Your inhale and exhale, how does that feel in your body? Drawing your awareness inward. And bringing your attention to the rest of your physical body and noticing if there are any sensations that stand out for you right now. Drawing up to your heart center and seeing if there are any emotions sitting with you right now. And then coming on up to your mind, noticing the state of your mind. If it's busy, distracted, or calm. Now you're not trying to change anything or make it any certain way. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your awareness to those parts in your body that touch the cushion or floor or the ground beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over its center. You are perfectly supported by the entire mass of the earth. You have access to all of its energy, and it will guide and support you during this meditation today. If you do have a piece of white aventurine, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the white aventurine today. And if you don't have a piece of white aventurine, then picturing a white gemstone in your mind. But if you are holding one, then take a moment to feel it in your hand, to notice how much it weighs, to turn it about in your hand, feeling the surface, if it's smooth, if it's rough, and take a minute to get to know your piece of white aventurine. And then imagine a bright, brilliant star is shining above you. And it rains down sparkly, cleansing light upon you. And sit with this image of white aventurine energy for a minute. White aventurine is the stone of clarity. And as you hold or imagine your stone, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you feel the need for a cleanse of your energetic body, your aura, or your environment? Do you wish to release old issues from the past? Would you like to let go of unhealthy habit patterns and emotional reactions? Do you have an important decision to make? Would you like clarity about your life purpose? White aventurine is incredibly supportive for all of these scenarios in life. And if one of these questions stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, your body, heart, and mind. and sit with it for another minute or two while you hold or imagine the white aventurine. And notice if anything changes for you about how you feel about that situation since you've been holding the stone. And then bringing your awareness back to your body, your heart, and your mind, and notice if anything has changed since the start of this meditation. And then release the image of the white aventurine energy and let go of the situation that you were sitting with and just come back to your normal, regular breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me to meditate with White Aventurine today. I hope you found this useful. And if you do feel like the situations for White Aventurine are something you would like support with, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the energetic benefits of White Aventurine when you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works, to initiate transformation and change in your life by knowing which situations in life that you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them. That is how you can improve the quality of your life with gemstones. If you are new to this channel and you would like to learn more about how the various crystals and gemstones can help you in your life, then I post about a different gemstone every single week. So do make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.